Part 1. How to trade with Flow Axis. In Flow Axis, trading starts with simple and clear trend lines. The yellow trend line defines the entry level. When price touches this line, the expert advisor opens a trade automatically. If the yellow line is placed below price, a buy trade is opened. If it is placed above price, a sell trade is opened. This approach allows you to control trade direction visually before any execution happens. In this example, a buy setup is prepared. The yellow line defines the entry point. The red trend line defines the stop-loss level. As soon as the trade is activated, the stop-loss is placed automatically, vertically aligned with the red line. This ensures risk is defined immediately without manual adjustment. The green trend line represents the take profit level. When price reaches this line, the trade is closed automatically in profit. Entry, stop loss, and take profit, all managed visually and executed precisely. Part 2. Trailing a stop with Flow Axis. Flow Axis also supports dynamic trailing stop management. As price moves in your favor, the stop loss follows automatically, keeping a predefined distance in points. These values are fully adjustable from the inputs, allowing you to protect profits while letting the trade breathe. Part 3. Break even with Flow Axis. In this final example, once price moves sufficiently in profit, the stop loss is automatically moved to break even. This removes risk from the trade while keeping the position active, allowing the strategy to continue without emotional interference. Thank you for watching, and may your trading journey be successful.